Hello everyone, welcome to ESS Computer. Today, I am pleased to introduce our payroll management system. This software is designed especially for small and medium-sized businesses. It helps you manage employee information, salary processing, advances, EMI loans, and professional payroll reports from one easy-to-use application. Our goal is to save your valuable time, reduce manual work, improve accuracy, and simplify your complete payroll process. Now, let's explore the key features of ESS Computer Payroll Management System. Are you still managing payroll manually? Many businesses still depend on Excel sheets, paper registers, or manual calculations to process employee salaries. This method is time-consuming, difficult to maintain, and can easily lead to salary calculation mistakes. Tracking employee advances, EMI loans, deductions, bonuses, and monthly salary records becomes more complicated as your business grows. ESS Computer Payroll Management System automates the complete payroll process. It helps you calculate salaries accurately, manage employee records efficiently, track advances and loans, and generate professional reports with just a few clicks. Save time, reduce errors, and manage your payroll with confidence. Welcome to the home screen of the ESS Computer Payroll Management System. This is the main dashboard, designed to provide quick and easy access to all essential payroll functions from one convenient location. From here, you can open the Employee Master, Search Employee, and Salary Entry modules with just a single click. The simple interface makes daily payroll operations faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're managing employee records, processing salaries, or generating reports, everything is organized for maximum productivity. Let's continue by exploring the Employee Master module where complete employee information is securely managed. Now, let's explore the Employee Master module. This module is the foundation of the ESS Computer Payroll Management System, where all employee information is securely stored and managed. Here, you can maintain complete employee records, including personal details, department, designation, salary structure, joining date, bank account information, phone number, Aadhaar number, and other statutory details. The easy-to-use interface allows you to add new employees, update existing records, or search employee information within seconds. By keeping all employee data organized in one secure database, ESS Payroll ensures accurate salary processing, faster administration, and reliable record management. Next, let's see how employee salary information can be managed efficiently. Now, let's explore the Salary, Advance, and Loan Management module. This module helps you manage employee salaries, salary advances, and loan records with complete accuracy and transparency. You can easily record salary advances, create loan entries, define repayment schedules, and automatically adjust deductions during salary processing. The system maintains a complete history of every transaction, making it easy to track outstanding balances and generate accurate payroll calculations. With built-in automation, manual calculations are minimized, reducing errors and saving valuable time for your payroll team. Next, we'll see how quickly you can search employee salary records using the Search Employee module. Now, let's explore the Employee Salary Search module. Finding employee salary records is quick, simple, and efficient. Just select the employee, choose the salary month, and click the search button. Within seconds, the system displays the complete salary details, including basic salary allowances, deductions, advances, EMI adjustments, bonus, and the final net salary. This feature helps you verify previous salary records, answer employee queries, and review payroll information without searching through files or registers. With ESS Computer Payroll Management System, every salary record is available instantly whenever you need it. Next, let's explore the Payroll Reports and PDF Export module. Now, let's explore the Payroll Reports and PDF Export module. A powerful payroll system is not complete without accurate and professional reports. ESS Computer Payroll Management System allows you to generate employee salary reports, monthly payroll summaries, advance and loan reports, and many other useful reports within just a few clicks. You can preview each report before printing or export it directly to PDF for sharing with management, accountants, or employees. This helps reduce paperwork, improves record keeping, and ensures that every payroll report is accurate, clear, and professionally formatted. With ESS Payroll, reporting becomes faster, simpler, and completely reliable. Next, let's discover the smart features that make our payroll system even more efficient. Now, let's explore the smart features of the ESS Computer Payroll Management System. Payroll management should be simple, accurate, and efficient. That's why our software includes intelligent automation to reduce manual work and improve productivity. The system automatically calculates salaries, manages employee advances, adjusts EMI deductions, and maintains complete payroll records with accuracy and consistency. It also minimizes calculation errors, reduces repetitive tasks, and saves valuable time for the payroll administrator. With a user-friendly interface and powerful automation, ESS Computer Payroll Management System helps your organization work smarter, improve efficiency, and maintain reliable payroll records every month. Next, let's see how we protect your valuable payroll data with advanced security and backup features. Your payroll data is one of your business's most valuable assets. That's why ESS Computer Payroll Management System is designed with reliable security and data protection features. The software helps protect your employee information, salary records, and payroll database through secure data management and regular backup support. With the backup and restore facility, you can recover your valuable payroll data whenever required, helping to prevent data loss and ensuring business continuity. Our system is designed to provide secure, reliable, and uninterrupted payroll management, giving you complete confidence in your day-to-day operations. Finally, let's conclude our presentation and see how you can contact ESS Computer for a live demonstration. Thank you for watching this presentation. We hope you have seen how the ESS Computer Payroll Management System can simplify payroll management, improve accuracy, and save valuable time for your organization. Whether you are managing a small business, a growing company, or a large organization, our software is designed to make payroll processing faster, easier, and more reliable. We invite you to experience the software with a free live demonstration. Please contact ESS Computer. WhatsApp +91 98305 35352. Email nirupam.s1@gmail.com. Thank you once again. We look forward to serving you. Have a wonderful day.